In this tutorial, we'll go over transferring inventory that has lot numbers assigned. We're going to go to Warehouse, Planning and Execution, and Order Transfers. Our cursor automatically defaults to the number field here. If yours comes up with information in it, hit F3 for New, or you can hit this icon for New, or Edit and New. We're going to tab off of there to get a new number assigned. Our to and from code simply is what location are you transferring from and where are you transferring to. When you tab off of there, the in-transit code automatically defaults to in-transit. So in this case, we're transferring from Albert Lea to Austin. We have our posting date, which you want for whatever date that you actually want to record this transaction. Company code and cost center, we want this for the transferring from company. So in this case, it would be Albert Lea's map department. The transfer from and to up here simply puts in the address information, so you don't need to do anything with those tabs. Now we're going to select our item number and the quantity we want to transfer. Now if this is the only item we're transferring, we're going to go back to that line item. We're going to go to Line, Item Tracking Lines, and we're going to select Shipment because at this point we're shipping these. Now when I put my cursor in the lot number column, I can use these three dots. It's going to give me the lot number that's available. If you have multiple, select the one that you have. And it's automatically going to enter my quantity of 10 if there's enough quantity of that lot number to cover it. If you have multiple lot numbers and you're transferring multiple lot numbers, let's say you have 2 lot numbers and you're transferring 5 of each, change the quantities here, select the next lot number and enter the new quantity. Up here we can see that our undefined is 0, so we've got all of our 10 assigned. If you still have a number here, it means that you still have more to assign, so you need to enter more quantity. When you're done with this screen, you can simply escape or hit the X key. And now we want to go to Post. And if you want to print this, this transaction, this shipment, you want to go to Post and Print. And here we want to select Ship and say OK. And now we have our items that went into in transit, and we have our document, printed document that says that we actually shipped them. To receive this then, if we needed to go back in here, we would still go to our transfer order. We could do a lookup on the list and pull up the transfer number that we need. And we would say OK. And now we want to go into posting. If we're receiving all 10 of these and we know the lot numbers, we can double check the lot numbers that they gave us by going to Line and Item Tracking Lines and the receipt. Now we can confirm that we received 10 of this particular lot number. And then we want to go to Post, Print and Post the receipt and say OK. And our order is printing, and then the system automatically deletes this transfer order once it's completed. So you can simply say OK. And now if we do our lookup function, it is gone.